Today we have a hot airbrush. This is great for when you have wet hair and you need a quick way to dry it and also style it. It comes with two different heads. It comes with this one here that has more of the softer brush, smaller. They also come with a little bit thicker brush, and this has more of the thicker, strong ones. So if you want to get that more volume in your hair, this is the one to use. It comes with 3 different settings, including hot and high speed, as well as cool and high speed, and then a low medium heat. So depending on what kind of hair you get, you want to try each level to see which works best for your hair. It also, when you turn it on, you can actually have it spinning, which is great because you don't have to be doing the spinning yourself. It does it for you so that it dries quicker and there's less work to do as you get yourself ready. So in order to remove each head, you have to press down the button. Make sure that it's cooled off before you move it because this will be hot after use. So you just go ahead and push it out just like that. And then you go ahead and put the other one in. Make sure that it clicks and it's ready to use. And for the spinning portion, make sure your hair is dry before using. It's a lot easier to use when it's dry.